Hey, it's Clay Trade, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis quite a bit. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As I noted, I've done this one before, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But I've been slacking off on it as a whole lot of updates need to be made as this uptrend just continues to chug along. So first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of these lines down here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but they're no longer relevant. So from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to get rid of those. Now, the final 30 minutes, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because last 30 minutes of the day, you can see volume came in very strong and a not so favorable candle formed. In the world of charts, when you see this candle, more times than not, there's going to be a pullback. Now, before you throw stones at me and say, oh, pullback, a pullback is not the same as a reversal. This stock has had many pullbacks. There was a pullback that obviously proved to be very healthy. And you can go back and look at the trend that it's been in for the past several weeks. And there's plenty of pullbacks. So when I say pullback, that's not the same as me saying everything's about to crash, everything's about to fall off a cliff. Not saying any of that, just suggesting that it's looking like it very well could pull back. But again, no such thing as a guarantee. Why do I say that? Well, there's a very similar candle right there, and there was no pullback. It went sideways and then went upwards. So, I really wish the market was easy as, oh, well, this candle formed on big volume, therefore guaranteed pullback. You can't quite say that because, there's a case in point right there where that candle formed. But if I was a betting man, I would say there's probably going to be some sort of pullback. In the event there's a pullback, let's talk about a couple areas of support. The main one that stands out is right here at the 70-cent mark. This was the previous level of resistance that the bull struggled with and then broke above it. And, as you can see, got good continuation. And this is based just on a foundational rule in charting. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you ideally want to see them act as support. But from the big picture perspective, and just to give a little bit more perspective, as long as the price stays up above that purple line, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. You can see ever since the price got above it here, back in mid-January, it's just been a beautiful uptrend. A couple times the price has tested it, both there, and the prices continue to hold. So, like I said, there may be a pullback, but from big picture, as long as the price is above the purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. One of the most popular questions I receive is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.